Alright, hello everyone, my name is Kadi, and I'm back with another live trading vlog. It's currently 8:29, so yeah, I do have a setup that I'm actually thinking of placing down. It's this sell setup right here. We're looking at, okay, 26, and we're looking for a sell setup. And just to explain it, this is on the 10 minute setup right here. We see prices in this area, this little edge zone right here. And price has been going up for a while, blasting up. So, it's like not the first time it's showing bearish, but it's showing bearish momentum and it's coming up to this zone area. So I want to see if we can like potentially get a tag in. Price is close to our zone. But yeah, other than that, I don't really see anything. Don't really see anything. I just see price in this area, and yeah. Just here, there is no news. Yeah, I didn't show y'all that. There is no news here. It's all chill for today. But yeah, I'm just looking, close to that tag in area. Price is there. That's where our order is. The sell setup. A little edge play. 10-minute edge play. It's the first thing that I saw today. Okay, so we're in the trade right now. Price has a lot of momentum, bullish momentum right now. Just hoping to get like, I don't know, just some edge play shit happening. But we'll see. I could be wrong about this. It's been a pretty rough month for me. Nothing but L's my way. But it's what I need as far as proof for myself to see if I can like do this. You say that you can do it, but every time you get brought up to the plate and it doesn't go your way, you have a whole temper tantrum, and it reflects in the trading. You're trading and it reflects in all the losses that you take, and it sucks. It's just like, if this is my losing month, then so be it. I will be proud of myself just as long as I'm taking the setups that align with my rules, and I am not revenge trading because I lost. But yeah, this is how the setup is looking right now. We have a pretty good rejection, but we got 7 minutes until this candle's closed, so this can blast up at any given moment. This is how it looks like on the 2-minute. So yeah, I can see it working, but I feel like this is a really good stop loss though. Like, I feel good about the stop loss. If anything else, if it goes south, like, at least I have a lot of room from the thing. We took this at the fib level, 50% level. So yeah, I mean, I feel confident about the setup because it's a part of our system. There's nothing about this that I'm like, no, don't take it. Doesn't align with our rules at all. Like, I'm happy that I can say that that is not the case. Put this on the 2-minute. It sucks to lose, but I'd rather lose on a setup that makes sense off of my rules than win on a setup that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, we'll just be waiting here. I don't know. I'll let you know. I don't want us to keep on waiting for that long. Also, today I feel good. So it's like, if this trade loses, I may continue trading, depending on how I feel if and when the loss happens. But I may continue to trade even after this loss, depending on my reaction to it. But yeah, this is how price is looking right now. I'll let you know. This is on the 2-minute. We have 20 seconds left of this candle. I just hope that it closed bearish, you know, like that would be a good sign. So yeah. Okay, the candle closed bearish, but not in the way that I would prefer. I would prefer it to close with some bearish momentum, but at least we're getting a slowdown in the area. If we look on the 2-minute, this is also a supply zone. I didn't even see that. This is also a 2-minute supply, 2-minute supply, 2-minute supply zone in a 10-minute area. It just gives me more confluence to, you know, be in this trade, and you know, if it doesn't work out, I mean, that fucking sucks. I'm happy that I don't have to lie anymore, right? Like, you know, there was a period in time when I thought I had to be this happy-go-lucky person no matter what happened. I had to be this robot. I don't know why people tell you to be robots when we're human beings. Like, that really messed up what I thought could be proper psychology, or like what I thought, like what had to be, you know, was the thing that was like the exact opposite. Like, you're not supposed to be a robot, but I feel like it's easier to market trading, just be a robot. That if you are being mentored by anyone that's like, you just got to be a robot in these markets, do not follow them, because that is incorrect, that is improper, because it's impossible. Now, we're supposed to emulate being robots, but that's unrealistic. We're human beings, you know? So it's like, if anyone, if you're following a mentor and they're like, you gotta be like a robot, but they're not being like, you gotta be like a robot, but you know, we're humans, so it's not really gonna be possible. But the best way is to try our best to be like a robot. If they're not giving you at least that, but they're just saying straight, you just gotta be a robot, like, bro, don't follow them, bro. Like, cause this shit is not, it's not that easy. But yeah, this is how the price is going. It's not really going that well, I'll be honest. Doesn't look that great. But it's a lot of rejections in the zone, in the area. And I don't know, just our stop loss is just in such a great place that it's like, bro, if this wasn't meant to go my way, like we would know, right? Like, it's past this liquidity point, is past this liquidity point a little bit. Like, if this just was not meant to be our John, like, this just wasn't meant to be our John, like, for real. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a whole bean. Let's keep it a whole stack. Why did you go for this setup? I went for this setup because I saw the edge play, and I saw that this was an area that, you know, price has reversed from in previous times. I also saw that, you know, we've been going high. We've been going pretty bullish for some time. And so to see price, you know, in this area, it just made me want to go for this potential sell so that it could, you know, potentially continue its downtrend or something like that. But I don't know. I think perhaps I was just wrong about this setup and its placement. I mean, it's like you analyze shit long enough, you're gonna put so much self-doubt in your head, and you're gonna feel like you're useless and pointless and don't know how to trade. So just keep it in a buck. I mean, this doesn't look good for me, I'll be honest. Like, doesn't look... Wait. Hold on. Oh yeah, so I think we're about to get stopped out. That sucks, but yeah, I'll let you know. Yes, it's edging really close to our stop loss, so I think this is about to be a dub. Yeah, look at that. That's our stop loss right there. Yeah. No hesitation. It's so funny when you get into a trade and you feel confident about it, and then it goes against you and you're like, I guess not. I'm just waiting for it to hit stop loss, so it's all recorded and stuff. I guess, you know, I mean, we are bullish, so I guess, you know, I was looking at that and I felt so confident about it, but now, not so much. I don't really feel confident at all. And that sucks. But what can you do? It sucks being wrong. It sucks feeling like you like I genuinely felt confident about this setup. Like I really did. I felt confident about it, but it doesn't matter. Alright, bro. I'll let you know. Okay. I think it's about to stop me out here. Like I want to get it when you guys. I want y'all to hear the stop filled with me, so you know that like, and we in this together, bro. Well, I'm by myself, but you know what I mean. Like, I have to experience this, man. I practice this all the time. I practice losing because that's all that's been happening for me. Like all that's been happening is me losing. So it's like I just gotta practice that shit. So that's what this is. Just want y'all to see how I'm dealing with this. And yeah, man, if this stops me out, I'm gonna go for a buy. Like I'm gonna go for another buy setup. All right, stop setup. All right, I'm gonna just go for the buy then. We got 3 candles. Just go for the buy. Cause it broke out. And the only thing for based off of how I trade that's available is this John right here, all the way up here. So yeah, and of course if we lose this setup, then yeah, it's gonna be the end of our day. So water filled. It's a 2-minute setup right here. If this is one of those stopped you out to then hit TP, then yeah, we're just gonna call it a day. Cause there's no point in dealing with that bullshit. So yeah. So we're currently in this setup right now. Just waiting. Alright, I'll let y'all know, bro. Okay, bro. As soon as I put the camera down, that's when it wanted to go and do its thing. Okay. Order filled on that one. I felt pretty confident about that one, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I promise you I'm not that crazy. It really just all depends on if price is going absolutely bonkers, because I see that setup right here and I'm like willing to take the sell. I'm willing to take the same setups over and over again because I believe in them that fucking much. Like I do. Like, call me fucking crazy, but I be believing in my setups. Like I just lost on a setup just like this over here, same setup, going for a sell right there, and I'll still take it depending on how it be. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to have a Like, if this is like a huge candle, right? This is a 23 tick candle, bro. If this candle is the one that comes all the way over here, I'm canceling this order. But if it break up and do some other shit, like before it gets there, then I'm still taking the trade. Yeah, but I'll let you know. There's no 2-minute setup. I'm like, again, if this same candle gets close, I'm about to take this trade off. Like, for real. Like, I'm not, like, I don't want that. I want to see a slowdown. I want to see if y'all are serious. Are y'all serious? Are y'all cereal? Y'all aren't even cereal. We got this little mini zone right here. It's a zone, but it's not even a zone. But yeah. So this is the 2-minute on my right. This is the 10-minute to my left. There's some retracement happening due to this zone right here. Check Forex Factor. Yeah, I don't really see much. But yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, this shows you just like how of a scaredy cat I am. I put this sell setup right here to potentially get a John in, like a tap in. I still have that entry over here. I'm too scared to go for an idea that I'm willing to go for. You know what? I'm gonna fucking take it. I'm tired of being scared. I'm tired of being scared, bro. I'm gonna fucking take this shit. I'm so tired of being scared. I'm so tired of being afraid, bro. To take ideas. I'm tired of that bullshit. Because guess what? At the end of the day, this is fucking demo. Okay? If this trade loses, so fucking be it, bro. So fucking be it. If this trade loses, I'm tired of my trading view. Bro, if you hear the order field, we hear the order. Let me talk real quick. I'm tired of having ideas and not taking them on the real John. And then I go to my trading view account and then I take all my ideas. This is a demo account. I'm tired of not taking my ideas seriously. I'm tired of having ideas but then holding them back. No, bro. Like, this is demo. At the end of the day, I already know how to trade. The only thing I have to worry about and deal with on a constant basis is when I lose, I don't go crazy. That's what I need to deal with. That's like the biggest thing. It doesn't matter how you trade. It doesn't matter how you trade. It doesn't matter what setups you take. I mean, if you have a profitable strategy that you backtested and it works, you're good. The only thing is, when that shit is not working and it's not going in your favor, how are you reacting? You can do whatever you want in these markets, just as long as you're okay with losing and have a risk management jump. Like, if this John loses, I'm not about to trade again. If this trade loses, I'm not about to trade. I think it's gonna lose though. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like, I'm not confident because this is a setup that I would not take. I'd be afraid to take, and yeah, like, that's just how I'd be. Like, that's just me as a person. Like, I'd be so afraid to take setups that, like, I'm like, it's not gonna work out. This was a bad idea. Like, this one I'm a little bit nervous on because I wasn't gonna take this setup on the regular John. I was just gonna take it on my play one on Trading View. But I was just like, you know what? I need to take my ideas more seriously. And today was the first day when I actually decided to pull the trigger. And so I'm a little bit nervous. I ain't gonna lie. But it's okay. Just breathe. Okay, cool. So we both saw that. So we all saw that. So look at that. I just took an idea that I would have flaked on. But today I was like, no! fuck that. Fuck that, not taking ideas. Now I have another idea. This one I'll chill on. This one I'll definitely chill on. Because I see a range. So, wait, we got this one here. When was little. Broke this, didn't get high. So now I see this potential range right here. I won't take this one. I won't take this one, but I'm proud of myself, bro. I'm proud of myself for taking an idea that I had in my head, an idea that I saw as clear as day. It's literally the setup that I just lost on. So on TradingView, price just tapped into this John. I was a little bit iffy. I was like, we just went on that setup, and I took a chance on an idea that I normally wouldn't, and so I didn't want to do the other one that I had. Just even though, look at that, like, wow. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna hit TP or not, but just saying. Wait, hold on. Why does it look like this? Okay, it hit TP. That's like one of those things where you probably should have took the trade, Kitty, but it's okay. It's okay. I took one idea, taking another, my heart would have been going crazy. So let's just see real quick what's going on. Where we are. So we're $17 down on the account. So it was like a break-even day so far. It's currently 8:55. I mean, I don't know. You know, I am bummed out that I didn't take the setup. It make me feel like, damn, bro, like it could have been a green day, like a chill green day, but that's okay. I mean, it sucks. I'm not happy, but it's okay. I still have this, John, just in case, because there's like a lot of slowdown, right? It's not the biggest John anymore, so yeah. So that was one. We got 1, 2, 3. So we took 3. This is 4, and this one right here would technically be 5. Sell. Did a sell right there, and then TP right there, and yeah. But I'm not in the trade. Oh, it's a lot going on, man. It's a lot going on. It's a lot of like, you should take your setup ideas more seriously, and I've been saying that for weeks. And so now is the day that I actually was like, all right, like I'm actually gonna take that to the chin. Like I'm actually gonna do it. I just want to go back. We're getting closer to my zone. Just want to confirm. Go back to the John and see. On my entries, 75. Because I think stop loss wise, it's like a pretty good John right there. How do you feel? I do feel nervous. Like, am I being dumb? You know, just all the self-doubt kind of questions that you have. We're getting closer to the zone, and I'm like, does it make sense? Do you feel good about it? There is like a good amount of slowdown, which makes me happy to see, because it gives me a lot more confidence about it. You know, Kitty, like, at the end of the day, it's like, I'm so tired, bro. I'm so tired. I want to take the ideas that I have in my head, and we just literally won on that same type of setup, just on a lower time frame. So it's like, I don't want to, even if this loses, I don't want it to be like, oh, like, I was so dumb. Like, what do you mean? We just won on that same exact setup. Like, literally. Yeah. And now there's that thing. It's like, oh, damn, we could have won on a trade, and it makes you feel inferior. But I'm just, I'm just trying to think. I'm just trying to remember my journal entries. Just trying to think. It's like, hey, we're getting up to 10-minute zones. There's liquidity here. All of this, there's a wick slowdown. So it's like before it even entered the zone. So we don't know. It's excuse me. It's about to be 8:59. I can call it a day, but I don't really want to. I need to practice losing. I need to practice being wrong, and I also need to practice taking my setups and taking my ideas seriously, and not thinking all the time that I don't know what I'm doing, and just because I lost, that's so important to me. Price is getting closer to my zone, and I'm not removing the entry. If I get stopped out, I get I get stopped out. It fucking sucks, but I'm just thinking, hold on, 18. I'm just like, if the candle, there's just a lot of slowdown. So the candle, if I can get my mouse right. The candle is quite large. So this is our entry point. It's 9 o'clock right now. Again, we don't have any news other than, 9:30 open, market open. I'm a little bit like, this is seriously like the definition of a hit or miss. Like, it could go either way, to be honest. Like, not even gonna lie. I mean, we have some slowdown, which like I like to see, but this is anyone's game. Like, we could lose, we could win. I seriously have no idea. The only thing I am grateful for is like at least there's like a bit of like bearish candles, wick rejections and areas and stuff like that. So I don't know. I had it in my journal, but perhaps, this could be a good sign, like candle placement wise, like these candles with this like rejection, wick rejection. I've seen this type of formation before. Honestly, y'all, I'm saying anything. That I don't know what's about to happen. We're getting closer and closer to the zone. I don't know what's about to happen. Hold on. We're getting closer and closer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Breathe, kitty, breathe. I can be wrong, and I will be wrong. Can we get a little, I just need a little punch. Just punch me in, bro. And then, if this loses, then, we're going to call it a day. And if this wins, we're also going to call it a day. And yeah, so yeah, we're in the trade now. It can easily just blast past our zone and, fuck us. So just preparing myself for stop filled. Just literally, because it happened to us before. Why would it not happen to us again? Just because it's at a different point, that doesn't really mean anything. Okay, so see, looks like we're about to get stopped out here. Okay, looks like we're getting close to our stop loss. I'm just breathing, as you can probably hear behind my fucking camera. That's all y'all hear. I don't care. This is helping me, so enjoy my hot ass breath. Okay, seems like we're about to get stopped out here. Okay, it's freezing up. I'm gonna let you know. Okay, so price just tagged. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to 73. Okay, what was it 36.75? 36.75. I'm gonna move my stop loss there because it just tagged. It just hit the there, and I'm just holding. I'm just what is it called when you are protecting yourself? Yeah, moving my stop loss. There's no reason for me. It already reached like 50%, more than 50% there. There's no reason for me to have my stop loss all the way down here. And yeah, there's just no reason for that. So this is just what I'm like picking up on just in my life and just in the whole constant thing of trading. It's like I need to learn how to manage my risk more. I've been going through a losing period. There's no reason for me to take a full hit if I don't need to, if I'm going for a 1-to-1 or yeah. So that was a little confusing, but I've been back testing this. I was like, there's no reason. If price got all the way over here, why would I be holding it, hoping that it's gonna, like, no, bro. It's either gonna hit your stop loss or hit your TP. If this hits TP, we are done for the day. I don't care, bro. I don't care if this goes 30,000 miles we're done for the day, bro. Closing the charts. Closing the charts. We got 15 seconds left on this candle. I'm just hoping that it closes bearish, because just in these 10 seconds alone, it could turn into a completely different candle, bro. So I'm just keeping it a buck. We got 2, 1. Okay, and yeah, I'm glad that I moved my stop loss, because if price is over here, why the fuck, if it wanted to go down, continues down, why would it go all the way up here? Bro, I'm protecting myself, bro. So if this wants to fuck with me and make me feel like I don't know how to trade anymore by, you know, like making me, by going all the way over here, and so be it, bro. So fucking be it, bro. I'm so tired. Yeah, so it's at 76, 75, right? Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying, like, hey, if you want to come all the way down here, there is no reason for you to continuously go back up. If that's what you want to do, so be it, bro. We calling it a day, bro. So close to TP, and now it wants to do all of this. Like, this shit is annoying, but whatever. At the end, if this hits our stop loss, when it hits our stop loss, we're calling it a day. We're calling it a day. I'm turning the John off. I'm just gonna go and focus on other shit. Like, I can't stay on these charts forever, and I'm not trying to. It's 9:09, by the way. So, damn, bro. Like, this shit is ass, bro. Fuck this, bro. It was literally right the fuck here, and now it's about to hit stop loss, bro. This trading shit, bro. I don't have any regrets reducing my stop loss. I have no regrets. It's about to be a long ass episode. I want y'all to see how close we was to stop loss or TP. We was this close. Like, we had 2 more ticks to, like 1 more tick to go. And then niggas wanna do some niggery shit. Or some niggery shit, bro. Our stop loss is at 36, 75. Oh, that's a good stop loss, to be honest. If price wants to continue going down, there's no reason for it to break structure. Look, there's no reason for it. If price wants to continue going this way, there's no reason for it to go below this John. There's no reason. So this is a really good stop loss. Because, like, what is the reason? Like, what's the reason? Oh, it's because it wants to go continue bullish. But if it wants to go bearish for a little bit, there's no reason for it to break bearish structure. This is like a roller coaster, bro. Like, I thought I was about to lose in the beginning, and then I thought I was about to win, and then I thought I was about to lose again. And I don't know, bro. This is why trading is just so emotional, and why the whole just be a robot. It's not a robot. What I just went through, a robot wouldn't care about. It wouldn't even process it. But I'm just like turning. But as a human, going through what we just saw, bruh, if this hits TP, I'll finish what I was just about to say. And it closes up like that. It gotta close up there. Bro, not us consolidating here, bro. 912. Bruh. We still in this setup. Like, I'm not about to dodge it out. Either way, I'm cool. Like, let me remove this. Either way, I'm cool. Either way, I'm chilling. My stop loss is at a good placement. This is now a 1-2 trade. So, look at that risk reward. If this hits TP, then, you know, we're gonna have to have that talk. You know, I have to have that talk, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna let y'all know. My goodness, I'm gonna let y'all know. These motherfuckers better not be waiting until 9:30, bro. I'm gonna be so pressed. We got 1 minute left on this candle. I want y'all to see it, but I don't want this video to be mad long. Like, it's about to be. Price is getting crazy right now, bro. Bro, it better not consolidate for like. This is the longest trade that we've been in for a minute, bro. Like, actually, this is the closest it's been, bruh. Like, bruh. Should we trade again? That shit was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I was like. And oh yeah, and to complete my thought, this video mad long, I'm sorry, but like, to complete my thought, I was saying, like, getting that advice of just be a robot is so impossible, because a robot would not even care about what was happening. Like, I don't know if it was mainly on the screen, but you could hear me breathing, just trying to focus, and I wasn't looking at the money, I was looking at TradingView. This time, just looking at the structure and just like focusing in on that, and just going with that. Like, I wasn't trying to play no games, like just focusing on the structure and only. And it was still difficult to be in, you know. A robot wouldn't care. A robot wouldn't even think that. Like, how did the trade start? We got inputted into the trade, and then it almost stopped us out as soon as we got in. It got into a trade, and maybe we was in like $50 a drawdown or something like that as soon as the trade started, or within a few seconds. And then it looked like it was about to stop us out. Maybe it got to like $65 or $67 or whatever. And so I was just like, all right, I guess it's about to be a loser. And then it went up, and we were like, oh, okay, I think this might win. And then it went back down, and I was like, oh, I think this is probably it. And then it went back up. And so I'm fluctuating with how it goes. There's a part of me that's like, oh, and then there's a part of me that's like, and then when it actually hit TP, by the time it did, I was just like, okay. There's so much emotion in that. And also, a huge part of it is that I took a loss today, right? Like, the first trade that we took, it was the same type of setup that we just took, but it lost, right? Let's go back to that. On the 10 minute, let me invert my John. And then let me just mark that up real quick. Okay, I could have just paused the video. On the 10 minute today, we took the same exact kind of trade. Price was in an edge play right here. Edge area. We took the fib level 50% and it blasted through. We then took a 5 minute, 2 minute bullish setup right there, and it hit TP. And then look, if you look at the 10 minute, the same John that we took right here is the same John that we took right here. And I'm not gonna lie, right? I'm not gonna lie. Taking the same setup that just lost and then you're taking it again, it's daunting, because you, as a human, you can't help but think this is probably gonna lose. And then what happened when we got into the trade, it was fluctuating, it was going crazy, and it looked like it was about to lose, and my brain was doubling down like, this isn't a good setup. We shouldn't take the setup. We were scared to take the setup initially. But it ended up working in our favor, and it's reason why we take these setups, because it ends up working. We like how it is, and yeah, we've had success in it in the past. It's just so difficult to deal with it when things just aren't going your way and you feel like you'll never get to where you feel like you can be, but it's just so far away. It feels so far away. And also like the discipline and to be able to take a loss and be able to bounce back while not like going off the rails. Like, I took that loss, but I then took another setup after that, and that won. And I could have took another setup after that, and that would have won, but I was nervous. But I left money on the table with that. But then I took another setup, and so we're 2-1 for today. We took two 10-minute setups and one loss, then the other one won, and then we took a 2-minute setup. So we're probably up maybe like $30, $40 on the day. Let's see. Okay, so we're up $80 or $76. I'm a little confused on that. If we can get like a little, hold on. I'm trying to think of the math. So we lost 100, we made 100, and then we made 50. So I'm like, if we lost 100 but then made 100, that's 0. And then we made $50. That's 50. So how is this $76? I'm so confused. They said that we took 4 trades. I don't remember that. Why don't I remember that? I literally don't remember that. Why don't I remember that? Hold on. Okay, we lost on this setup, and then we took. Oh, there was another setup in that. Oh, I don't even remember. That's crazy. That's hilarious. Okay. I don't even remember this. So we took 4 setups. We're 3-1 on the day. I genuinely don't remember this. Apparently, but I just remembered it as soon as I looked at the charts. So yeah, time of day. 9 o'clock, distributing. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh my god, man. Y'all want to see how this entire month has been looking? Let's go check. It has not been good, babe. I'm gonna let y'all know. It's not been good. Look at this. We have a 45% win rate. We've taken 22 trades. We've won 10, lost 12. And yeah, it just has not been good. Max drawdown. The only thing I could say I'm proud of, our largest losing trade is 112, and that's only accounting for slippage. Our average losing trade, $96, which is technically like $100. Our largest wins, our average wins, yeah. So I'm proud of this because I can look at all of this and be like, this is uniform, right? This was slippage, but oh my god, look how long that trade took. 11 minutes, bro. That's not average. As you can see, a minute. Our average trade this time is 2 minutes because our longest trade has been 12 minutes. Oh my goodness, it's been a roller coaster. This has been the worst fucking... Okay. Let's go back all the way to September. The last time that we tilted to this, we have a 67% win rate. Somehow we're still having some kind of profits, some fucking how. 49 and 24, not good ratios, but we've taken 73 setups, and this is in the span of 2 months of trading. Yeah, like if you can see our distribution, it was good, and then it's coming down. Like, I don't know, yeah, so our John is still there, like our time of days is still there, so that's why we come to the charts now at 8:30, because we're still seeing a lot of success. in this area, in this time frame. So if we go all the way back, I don't want to go all the way back, because if we go all the way back, it's going to consider all the times I've tilted and blown my accounts. But this has just been a full month of just our trades, like our trading system. This is like one mistake of like being on the wrong contract or being on the wrong symbol, but everything else, it's been one size, one contract, and the same kind of losses and wins. And it's a beautiful thing to see. I'm proud of myself because of it. While, you know, a day like this, it feels so hard to come by nowadays, just because of everything that's just been going on. You know, I'm still proud to be here, and I'm proud to be a trader, and I'm proud to, you know, be a student of this game, because I know that I know that it's beatable. Like, and I'm not trying to say like I'm about to be the richest motherfucker out here. I'm not trying to be the best trader in the world. That sounds like a lot of work. I'm trying to just maximize and utilize a skill that can bring you financial freedom and time freedom and just freedom in general. And there's nothing else that I want to do more in life than this, because it's like, once I got this, once I master this, once I get my money up, once I get the withdrawals, once I get the payouts, it's like life becomes a different game to play, and I'm excited to play that game. I'm not happy to play the 9 to 5, wake up at 6:30, end the day at 6:30, and all you did was sit in a gray ass office and talked about the weather and Sunday's game. And it's like, bro, like I'm cool, like that's cool, but that's not me. My days are supposed to be awesome and fun and filled with an agenda that's mine, not somebody else's. Like, that's not what my soul came back here for, bro. We didn't come back here to do regular shit, because if we was, I would have been content at my job. Real fucking shit. This was a trade that I just took on my TradingView account. We're done for the day here, but I just saw that and it just hit TP, so just thought about that. But yeah, I just believe in myself so much, even though, you know, I have tons of self-doubt, and it was probably, you saw it in this video of me like, oh yeah, but it's, I know I got it. I just got to keep on going. But yeah, let's get out of here. I want to look at one more thing. Hold on, let's just confirm. I have no trades on the John. Let me show you. No trades on the John, no trades on here. Bruh, ever since that day, it's like I don't play. I don't play. But yeah, so we're getting out of this one. So we just got out of the danger zone, essentially. Let's bring this up. And I don't like this. Let's switch back to Legacy dashboard, because I like to see the chart itself. So we're going on to the demo. The demo? Where's my John? Hold on. Okay, it fucking took forever to get this back up. But, okay, so this is just... this is just the chart. I mean, this is just all of our history, you know, getting up to these high amounts and then blowing the account, getting up to a high amount again and then blowing the account, and getting up to this high amount and we've yet to blow the account. All of this drawdown has just been like drawdown. And the craziest thing is, don't this look like a fucking stock market chart? Bro, I can't make this up. Isn't that scary? Look at that. That dip down, and then we have this like John right here, this double bottom or double top, and then it goes down, and then we have this little, how the fuck did that happen? This is October 7th. This is September 17th. How did I get, that was just so crazy. And we flattened out at the same, and we got that. Whoa, like this is scary. I don't know, bro, but I'm proud to see that at least the downhill is like rocky. It's like lower lows, lower highs, rather than boom. Like, yeah. So I'm not happy about the fact that my account is damn near blown and basically all my profits got wiped away, but knowing that it's not because I just couldn't deal with the loss, and so I kept on trading, and it's just day by day, just me coming here doing the same exact setups that we took today, and it just not working in my favor, it makes me happy because it's like, okay, I'm handling these losses better, and that's the only thing that you could really be grateful for. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. It's just becoming 9:30, which is funny. So that's crazy, right? Imagine this was like a livable wage, right? Like I made $80 today, but imagine if I had 3 contracts. Right, like even if I had 2 contracts, that would be close to how much I would make in a regular day. If I had 3 contracts, that would, definitely put me up above that. Let me just do the math real quick. If I had 3 contracts, we'd be up like 228 right now, and it's just becoming 9:30. I just made $80, and it's 9:30. It's like some people are just getting to work. Some people are just starting to work, like, and this is why I'm like, bro, like, yeah, we just finished the day in an hour, and we gone. Like, if I had, oh my god, so like, you know what I mean? Like, it would be crazy. But yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We make videos like this every single day. I'm out here, bruh, changing my life, changing my reality, because why not? Why can't I make 10K in a month? Why? Who said I couldn't? The only person who said I couldn't was me at one point in time. But I rebuke the past me and say hello to this new kitty, because we not going nowhere. The fuck? We finna run it up, bro. Withdrawals, payouts, all of it. Because why not? Why can't I make 10K plus in a month? Why can't I? I can. So, we gonna see it through. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.